welcome to our channel. I'm Penny.
Hi, Ari.
And today we're gonna make bacon in the air fryer. Okay, so this is 24 ounces of bacon. We're gonna do all of it in the air fryer at once. I'm just gonna cut it here, 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 and here. Okay, so I'm just gonna kind of peel it apart like this and just kind of separate all the layers.
Just dump it all in the air fryer, and ours has a nice little basket on it that you can take out and wash.
Spread all the bacon around so it's all evenly spread out. So I'm gonna plug it in, and then you move this knob over. It's on air fry. And then you do the timer to 25. And the temperature is 375, which is what we want. Then you press start, and it goes. About every 5 minutes, we're just gonna open it and stir it around. But while that is cooking, we're gonna talk about the air fryer a little bit. The air fryer we have is a Power Extra Large Grill Air Fryer combo. It's really nice. We got it $25 used. It's around $80 online. The one we got before that had like doors that you opened, and that one did not work as well. It was $100, and it smoked and leaked grease onto the counter, and it's really loud. So we got this one instead, and it's really nice. It's very quiet, and it's very easy to clean up and everything. So yes, definitely worth buying. It's been 5 minutes, so I'm gonna open it up and stir the bacon around. It's been cooking about 25 to 30 minutes. We added a little bit more time. You might not need that much time, but yeah. So I think it's done. So we will turn it off and take it out. We really like making steak and sausage and chicken in our air fryer.
We like GT for watching.
Subscribe to our channel and comment below. Bye!
Bye! Bye, bye, bye.
We like making steak and sausage and chicken in it. It's just really good and easy.
No, it's like that. I really like to do that. We really like to make chicken and I did cut again.
Good. We really like making steak and sausage.
We like to take it away.
I told you. We really like. You say it.
Did you watching? Did you watching? Did you watching? I'm not watching.